Good morning, everybody. I just want to show you, it's early in the morning, and I want to show you all these flowers that are amazing. And the zucchini, where are they? Get the zucchini down there. It's covered by this huge flower, or this huge leaf. There we go. Zucchini, all the flower fell off. But I just want to show you guys this. So I take this little piece off like this, make sure there's no bugs on it or anything, and I eat it. And it's so good. So good. If you've never had a zucchini flower, you have to try them. Make sure there's no bugs. That one has a bugs. Especially make sure there's no bees. But just want to show you this. There's another zucchini in there. They are growing so quickly, and I'm so excited. So, yeah, there's a ton. I think every plant except my brand new ones have zucchini on them. Look at that. So I picked a bunch of spinach, and it's still like this. Planted my poor little zucchini plants that have they were sitting in that pot, so they're getting greener leaves on it, so they'll be fine. I have quite a few eggplants coming in. And the green beans, I have to pick them. Look at this, guys. So there's several on here, and they're weighing the plant down big time because they grow really, really quickly. I mean, look at this. I can probably pick them right now, but I have to go to work. So I probably will pick these for dinner tonight, maybe. Peas, not so much. They are coming back. Happy with them, but I'm going to be planting some more peas in a different spot. My tomatoes are coming in. My little transplants are they're doing okay. They're perking up. They were doing not so great there for a little bit, but they're doing good. And this cucumbers, oh my gosh, you guys, cucumbers are just doing so well. I have all kinds of cucumbers coming up on them. Probably show you guys later on when I have more time, because I want to show you the mung beans that I sprouted real quick. Oh, here, the radishes. Radishes are doing really good. These I have to transplant and put them in the sun. Those are the Thai basil, and I planted some more. And then we have all these. I got 2 of my tomato plants here and a zucchini plant here, but unfortunately the snails got to it, and I gotta work with that later. So let's run in the house really quickly. Came out here for ice. I'm gonna show you my mung beans, the ones I just sprouted, because they are amazing. Shut this door. Let's see. Okay, my messy kitchen, because I haven't done anything yet this morning because I'm getting ready for work. Here are the mung beans. Look at this. 2 days in, and they look amazing already. Look at that. These are growing really quickly. I have just started a mix of the seeds, the 2 seeds that I have, these packets over here. I mix those together. I want to see if I can get a spicier blend. This one has a lot more radishes in it. So that's where we are. And I picked a bunch of tomatoes. I'm bringing a bunch of them to work this morning. I have picked some peas, and I got some more little tiny of the Sun Gold Chelsea tomatoes. So I'm going to make my shake, going to get to work, and I will see you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Bye. I'll be back later.